Welcome to Healthy Conversation. Computer questions and answers. Fill in the blank for children. Part 30. Question number 1. Name two parts of paint window. The two parts of paint window are menu bar and ribbon. Question number 2. Where do you make drawing in paint? We make drawing in paint in drawing area. Question number 3. Which tool is selected by default? Paint tool is selected by default. Question number 4. The area which provides tips and other information while drawing is the area which provides tips and other information while drawing is help area. Question number 5. Which tool is used to draw various filled and unfilled polygonal shapes? Shapes tool is used to draw various filled and unfilled polygonal shapes. Question number 6. Dash is a completely free software. Tux Paint is a completely free software. Question number 7. Dash is the largest part of the screen in the center where we can draw. Drawing canvas is the largest part of the screen in the center where we can draw. Question number 8. Who was the creator of Tux Paint? Bill Kendrick was the creator of Tux Paint. Question number 9. Which is used to draw and give special effects in the drawing? Magical tool is used to draw and give special effects in the drawing. Question number 10. Dash is used to draw straight lines and patterns. Line tool is used to draw straight lines and patterns. Subscribe, like, share my channel. Thanks for watching.